Hello guys, you tablet Lenovo Tav P11 Pro. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Look, complementation. In complementation we have device, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of metal. On the back side double camera and LED. On the front side 10.5 inch display. We have full metal body. Okay. Full HD resolution display. Open settings, look Android version. About tablet. We have Android 10. Okay, close this. And open tests. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. Qualcomm Snapdragon, this CPU 730G, this octa-core processor 6+2 cores, CPU speed 1.8 and 2.2 GHz, and GPU Adreno 618. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and the GPU test results. Okay, look into the benchmark score. Onto the benchmark score. Okay, close this and open the mining game Beta San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Resume game. Game works on the max graphic level. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches.